Hello guys, in the previous video I've shown you how to receive messages using KAFKA listener in Spring Boot. To receive messages from KAFKA producer in Spring Boot, we need to configure some property in application.property file. As you can see, this is all the property we need to declare in this file. But I don't want to declare all this property in this file anymore. I want to configure this into a Java class. That means into a bin of configuration. This video I will show you how to do this. Firstly, we need to create a new packet. I will name it as config. Then I will create a new class, consumer configuration. I will mark it as a configuration. Second annotation will be component scan, and the byte package will be com.javaguide.kafka. This is the same with the packet name. Okay. Then I will define a new bin, and the bin will have a name of concurrent KAFKA listener container factory. And I will pass it key and the value of it. I will name it, and I have a method, and this method will receive an consumer factory. Okay. Firstly, we need to create a new variable. I will name it as a factory and new. Then I will return it. Okay. Before returning it, I will set this factory and consumer factory. Okay, and mark it as a bin. Okay, this is the first bin I want to define in the consumer configuration. The second bin will be consumer factory. Let's consumer factory, and I will define a new variable here. New default KAFKA consumer factory, and return it. As you can see, we need to pass to this variable, and that variable will be a map. String object. I will name it as prop. Here as map, and pass this. Okay. Go back to the application.property file. The first property I want to map with this configuration will be Bootstrap server. And firstly, I need to delete the prefix of Spring because I don't want to use it anymore. I will copy this property, KAFKA Bootstrap server, and come back to this and declare strings Bootstrap server, and map it with value. Then I will use this variable to put it into here, into a consumer config dot bootstrap server config and copy this variable. Here, there is the first variable need to map with the consumer config by using value annotation. Okay, the next property will be value deserializer. I will map this with put consumer config dot value deserializer class config, and for value deserializer I will use error handling deserializer dot, I will import it first and dot class. Okay, this is second property. For the next one will be JSON deserializer dot put. For JSON deserializer, I will map this with error handling deserializer. Like this. Error deserializer dot value deserializer class, and I will copy this user class. The next property will be mapping a message created with a JSON value default type. To map this, I will create a new property prop dot put and JSON deserializer dot value default type and copy this, import this, and class dot icon name. The last one will be the key of the consumer factory. Prop dot put consumer config dot key deserializer config. It will be string deserializer dot class. Okay, and we need to mark it as a bin. Okay, all is the things that we need to config for consumer configuration. So I don't want to use this property anymore, so I will comment it. Okay, I will comment it. So then I will use the KAFKA listener to use this consumer listener. I will declare it as a container factory and copy this name. Yeah. Okay. All the things we need to define a KAFKA listener container factory for this time and use this configuration. So to test if working or not, we need to have a KAFKA server running. So to have a KAFKA server running, we need to go to a KAFKA library folder and open the new terminal. I will start a KAFKA server with zookeeper. So I will use this command and pass here. Then I will use this command to start the KAFKA server at a new terminal. I need to wait a little bit to okay. And the last one will be a producer to send a message. I will open a new, and there we go. We have a producer. Let's come back to this this Java Spring Boot. To run this project, I open the terminal and I will open the terminal, and I will use the npm Spring Boot 1, enter. Okay, we are having a Spring Boot, KAFKA Spring Boot running, and then we need to test if working or not by using this JSON content, and I will pass it into a consumer. Firstly, I want to use the correct type with the integer. Convert this and enter. Okay, you can see we are receiving a message successfully. Then I want to change the message ID to a string like this and pass it to a float type to see if working or not. I will hit enter. Okay, you can see there is a message like the message in the previous video that we cannot initialize the value of type integer from a string. This is not a valid integer. Okay, we are having a consumer configuration working successfully. Okay, that's it for today, and see you in the next one.